This is the IV1 850 unit for short cycle and drawn arc stud welding with ceramic ring. The screen shows the manual welding gun with start and contact indication. Current and time can be set using the arrow keys on the keypad. Up to 6 welding parameter sets can be stored and quickly recalled. More functions can be optionally enabled in the menu. The newly developed set lift gun has a simplified lift adjustment by pulling the detent back and turning it. With 0.25 millimeters per detent, you can set the desired lift. The plunge depth can be adjusted as usual by using the screws on the side. The stud is loaded. This happens manually in the stud holder. The gun is put on, pressed down, and welded off.